In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to underline text on Squarespace. If you've ever wanted to call attention to a word or phrase on your site, underlining is a simple way to do it, and Squarespace makes the process quick once you know where to look. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need, explain what you'll see on screen, and show you an easy keyboard shortcut as well. Start by opening Squarespace and heading to the main dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, look for the website section. This is your central hub for managing content and design. Click into it so you can access the parts of your site where your text lives. Next, select Pages. You'll see a list of all the pages on your site, including any you've grouped into folders or hidden from navigation. Choose the page that contains the text you want to underline. Once the page preview opens, find the Edit button at the top left of the page. Click Edit to switch into editing mode. You'll know you're in the right place when your page elements show outlines and toolbars begin to appear as you hover. Now, locate the specific text box that holds the text you want to update. This is usually called a text block. Double-click directly inside that text box. The cursor will appear where you clicked, and the inline editor becomes active for that block. Highlight the exact text you want to underline. Click and drag across the words or phrase so it's fully selected. When the text is highlighted, a small context menu bar will appear just above your selection. This floating toolbar is your quick access panel for common formatting controls, and it only shows when you've selected text. From that toolbar, choose Text Highlight. This opens up options that let you customize how underline styling appears, so you can match the look and feel of your site. If you just want a fast, standard underline without any extra adjustments, you can use the keyboard shortcut instead. Press Ctrl and U on your keyboard. That applies a classic underline to your selected text instantly. Use whichever method fits your workflow, either the menu for more control or the shortcut for speed. That's all there is to it. You navigated to your website area, opened Pages, entered edit mode for the right page, double-clicked the text box to activate it, highlighted your text, and applied the underline using the context menu or Ctrl and U. With these steps, you can quickly emphasize important information anywhere on your Squarespace site and keep your content clear and scannable.